So welcome students in our online class. In the last video, we discussed the Indian number system or the Indian system of numeration. Today, we further going on the topic and discuss the insert the commas. Insert commas according to the Indian number system. According to the Indian number system. So in Indian number system, we divide the periods in ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. So in the ones period there are 3 digits and the other periods have 2 digits. So the commas also inserted according to their periods. So like we have a number 4, 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. So we want to insert the commas according to the Indian number system. The first comma is inserted after the group of the 3 digits. So first comma is inserted after the 3 digit, then the other commas are inserted after the two digits. So this number is now easily readable. This is 4 crore 95 lakh 67,892. So with the similar method we can also recognize any bigger number with the help of the commas. So our next topic is the value, that is two types of value in the every number. First is the place value and second is the face value. So firstly we discuss the face value. Face value. So face value is nothing but the number itself, the value of digit or the number itself, value of digit itself, it is called face value. So now we discuss the place value. So before we discuss the place value, we take an example of the face value. Let we find the face value of 5, that is 5. We find the face value of 7 is 7. So is that clear? So now we discuss the place value. Place value is the position occupied by the digit in the given number, define its place. Or we can say the place of the digit they are occupied by that digits. Okay. The position. Now we discuss the place value. Position occupied by the given digits. Occupied by the given number. The position occupied by the digits in the given number by the digits in given number, that defines the place value. Is that clear? Like we have a number 7526178 and in this we find the place value of 2. So place value of 2, that is 20,000. Here are two methods to find the place value. First is write the face value of digit multiply by the place that digits are placed. So we get the answer. And second method is write the digit and replace the digits that after the digit that we want to the place value, replace the all the digits that are right after the 2 with 0. So we easily find the place value. Is that clear? Now we discuss the our next topic, that is comparison of numbers. So now today we discuss the new topic, that is comparison that is the comparison of numbers. So there are two rules to compare the numbers. We have two rules to compare the numbers. To compare the numbers. So the first rule, count the digits in the given numbers. The number which have more digits, it is greater than the other number. So if the digits, the second rule, if the digits are same, then compare the digits extreme the left sides. If the first digits are same, then move towards right from the left and compare that digits. And if the digits again same, then move next digits to right, and this process is continue until we came across the different digits value, their corresponding places, and then which digit is greater, that number become the greater and other is smaller. Is that clear? So now we write the first rule of the comparison. Rule number 1. First is compare the number of digits. Compare the number of digits in given numbers. The number which have a more digit is a greater number. Number which has more digit, that number is greater. That number is greater. Is that clear to everyone? So now we move on the rule number 2. Rule number 2. If the numbers have equal number of digits, then we compare the numbers extremely left side from the given number. If the digit is same, if the digits are same, then we move to right side to the given numbers and compare the digits of that place. Compare the digits of that place. If these digits are also same, then we will continue this process again and again until we come at the two different digits, and when we reach the two different digits with their corresponding places, then we will compare the digits, and which digits have greater, that number is become greater than the other numbers. Is that clear to everyone? So this is the comparison of the numbers. Now we will move on our next topic, that is formation of numbers. Formation of numbers. So in the formation of numbers, we have only three rules. There are two rules, but there is also a third rule that is not given in the all the books. So firstly we discuss that rule that are uh, given in our books. So when we want to form the smallest number with the given integers, formation of smallest number. So when we want to form the smallest number, arrange the given digits in ascending order. This is a rule to form the smallest number. Next is formation of largest number or the greatest number. In some books they write the greatest number, and in some books they write the largest number. In mostly ICSE board, the word greatest is used, and for CBSE and other boards they use the largest number word for the greater number. So both have the same meaning. Don't confuse if I use greatest or a largest, meaning is same. So when we want to form the greatest number, arrange the given digits in the descending order. Arrange the given digits in the descending order. Is that clear to everyone? So now we discuss the third rule. The third rule we discuss with the example. So take the any three digits, that is 2, 0 and 5. We want to make the smallest number, and the rule of formation of smallest number, arrange the digits in the ascending order. So when we arrange these digits into the ascending order, that is 0, 5, 2. Okay, so this is the smallest number according to the rule. But if the 0 is placed in the digits, then we can't use this rule uh, to form the smallest number. This is the new rule, that is rule of formation of smallest number with digit 0. So we can't place 0 at extremely left side. If we do this, the number the number is formed. The number is formed. Is not uh, in proper manner. Like we have the digits 205. We want to make the or form the smallest three digit numbers with the help of these digits. So the three digit number is 205. If we write in ascending order, that is 0 to 5, but if the 0 is placed on the higher place, the 0 has no value, so the number is only remains two digit, that is not applicable to form the three digit numbers. So that's why we can't take 0 at the extremely left side. Is that clear to everyone?